Exclusively for the deaf community, the fight for ASL interpreters at the White House press briefings. CNN. In a pivotal federal courtroom encounter this past Wednesday, a judge devoted over an hour to a case demanding that the Trump administration include American Sign Language ASL interpreters at White House press briefings. This legal action originates from the National Association of the Deaf, which contends that the inability to access timely ASL interpretation violates deaf Americans' rights, as protected by the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, particularly when it comes to receiving critical information in real time. U.S. District Judge Amir Ali, appointed by former President Joe Biden, did not reach a verdict immediately, but showed signs of understanding the deaf community's stance. During the proceedings, attorney Ian Hoffman, representing the NAD, highlighted that when White House briefings lack live ASL interpreters, deaf individuals are excluded from engaging in the democratic process. Although the Biden administration ensured all its briefings were staffed with qualified ASL interpreters, this practice was abandoned by the Trump administration earlier this year. The Justice Department contended that the available accessibility options, such as live closed captions and written transcripts, adequately provide deaf people with the meaningful access required to comprehend White House news. The NAD challenged this perspective, emphasizing that ASL and English are distinct languages. Moreover, closed captioning, which was designed for the hearing population, proves challenging for thousands of deaf individuals who rely exclusively on ASL. The judge questioned the extent of utility of written transcripts in conveying important information, prompting the argument of the Justice Department to justify their stance. In 2020, the National Association for the Deaf criticized the Trump administration for not providing ASL interpretation during crucial COVID-19 briefings. A federal judge subsequently mandated that ASL interpreter videos be included during such broadcasted briefings. Judge James Boasberg explicitly noted that while written methods like transcripts and closed captions might be suitable in some scenarios, they did not meet the requirement in that instance. This ruling led to the Trump White House providing ASL interpreters for all pandemic-related press events. With Biden's administration in place in 2021, the accessibility services expanded, reinstating ASL interpreters at every press briefing. However, on the first day of Trump's renewed administration, the use of ASL interpreters was discontinued, culminating in this current lawsuit. During the Wednesday hearing, the courtroom saw heartfelt support from the deaf community, with live ASL interpreter translations available throughout the mere 90-minute court session. What do you think about including ASL interpreters in all White House briefings? Do you believe this could enhance public engagement from the deaf community, or should alternative methods suffice? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below.